got a little surprise from Aveda today. It's my Aveda Ambassador kit, and I'm so stoked to open it so we all can get a sneak peek of what's gonna come out. I actually decided to become an Aveda brand ambassador for my salon because we are a lifestyle salon, which means we retail and use all Aveda products, and I totally geek out over all the stuff and I want to know what, why, how of everything that I use. I just also love the mission of Aveda, and all the products are naturally derived, they're sustainably sourced, working towards being all vegan. Another one is cruelty free. I'm opening it. Opening presents on Christmas Day. Oh my gosh, the package is so cute. This is Botanical repair kit, and this will be what's coming in retail. I'm going to get into it. I can't get over how nice this box is. We're gonna start with the Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo. I love this packaging. It's a nice color too. You can smell the rose and the, I'm gonna say this wrong, ylang ylang? Anyone else who's an ambassador that's already been using this, I would love to hear your feedback on it because I'm like, I cannot wait. This is the conditioner. Also looks real sleek, really nice, and I just like to feel things because I like to see if it's gonna be, oh, that's actually not like heavy at all. That's gonna be nice. So this won't weigh the hair down at all. I think it's just gonna really repair and, you know, nourish those ends. And then you have your strengthening leave-in treatment. This is gonna protect that layer on the hair that totally gets broken down and damaged. I think anyone who styles their hair at all should use a leave-in. So here's a close-up of the packaging. Hope you can see it. After you shampoo and condition your hair, you're gonna wanna put this on your, starting at the ends and then work your way up. I always put it in my hand and squeeze the tube out sideways like this, just so it's like a flat, I don't know, start with a dime size. And then you'll always rub the product in and then comb it through the ends and then work your way up. That way you don't get greasiness happening. Even if you air dry your hair, you should be leaving something in your hair. I know some people are like, I don't really like the feeling of products, but this has a good feeling to it. It's not going to be too heavy whatsoever. What's next? Oh yes, intensive strengthening mask. This is the light one. So they have two types, and then they have the rich. And this one's going to be for your medium to thick hair type, so I would definitely use this on my hair. Oh, that feels really nice. Let's compare this one now. I love the smell of this stuff. I want my hair to smell like this all day. Wow. They feel very similar. I think this one just is gonna be a little bit more intense treatment wise, but I don't think it's gonna weigh the hair down at all. That's what it looks like, and that's gonna be really nice. You don't waste any of the product. Go Aveda, thinking of everything. This treatment is 94% naturally derived. How amazing. I don't get how Aveda makes all these products like that natural in a world with chemicals and all this fake stuff. Any sort of masks, I really suggest you use at least once a week on your hair in place of your regular conditioner. You're gonna shampoo your hair, then you are going to comb through the mask and let it sit for at least 5 minutes. You know, shave your legs, wash your body, I don't know, sing a song. Stay tuned because I'm going to use this whole line, give my feedback about how it feels, and word on the street is that they're coming out with a professional treatment in salon for rebonding. That's between us, but stay tuned. I'm totally gonna post everything and all my results from it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I would love to hear from you guys and hear what you think. Thanks.